Okay, I've got a piece of 7/8 material chipped up here, and I'm going to start on the spindles. So I've got it chucked up, I faced off the end, I'm going to put a center groove on it. Not exactly what type of material it is. Like a tool steel. We'll see when I start turning here. Alright, so I need to have 7 inches of it smooth, right? Actually 7 3/8. Sticking out any further either than you have to when you're going to part off. You want to part off right up next to the chuck. Whether it be a 3-jaw or a collet, doesn't matter. You want to be close as you can, especially 3-jaw. If you're not real close on a 3-jaw, you run the risk of crunching your part off tool pretty easy. I'm going to raise you up here a little bit. If I can move you in, you're going to get more wind noise though. Trying to find a spot for you here. Alright. Center it. I may have to turn my compound. I wasn't going to turn my compound back to where I normally have it until I got done with the tapers, but I can reset that taper pretty easy. So let's turn it back to where see, that's another reason not to have it like that. It interferes with your tailstock and everything. I like it turned so that it's ready for thread. I always did that at work. I think most people did at work. Had it set to there. Insert. Exactly. pretty crappy outside. Kids, I'm sure, had a cold time of finding their Easter eggs this year. 21 degrees and windy. Not exactly what you'd call. Alright. Make sure my tailstock is not going to be interfering with anything. Oops, got to put my center in. I'm going to use a dead center. And I'm looking for my, oh, here we go, my high pressure lube. So you take and put a dab of that in the center drill hole. Yeah, I've had this tube for many years. Many years. I might want to go back just a little bit more. There we go. I have my spindle turned all the way out on my, unless I go with a live center. I'm debating. I have to stick that tool out then, that's the only thing. To stick my tool out quite a ways then in order to do it. Because if I go with a live center, that won't eat up so much room. Plus, if I go off this way, let me flip that around. Flip my little T-nut around underneath. Come on. That way I can go way off there like that. That'll get me closer. Still going to be way out there. Yeah. Let's latch this here. There we go. All right. I think it'll be all right. Right there. We might have to go to a different tool than this anyway. I'm going to turn that down to a 1/2 inch in diameter. So we'll try it right there and see how it goes. Okay, everything's locked, and we're set at 800. Gotta move my tailstock a little bit. Wasn't paying attention here. It'll be right there. And that's where we run out of room. So, we got to go with a live center. That's the trouble with having my, see, I would have had another inch and a half, but my DRO scale is on that side, so. And both of these are the same. Alright. Gonna have to find tools to get in on this. See, that eats up quite a bit of room. Alright, so now let's come in here and touch on the end, set my scale, or set my readout, zero it. I want to go to up to that, to the shoulder. I don't have it written down on here, but up to the shoulder is, so it's 1/8, 125, so that's up to there. 5/32. What's 5/32? I don't know off the top of my head anymore. 156. So add 156 to that. And then it's a half-inch thread, half-inch length of thread. So that is 8 and then 781. So take 375, subtract 781. 4, 9, 6 inches, 594. So we want to go over 6 inches, 594. I'm just going to go over there and re-zero it. What was the number? 6 inches, 591. 6 inches, 594. 6 inches, 594. And I'll zero that. So that's the length that's got to be turned down to a ½ inch. And we get the wind noise from the furnace again. about 10 thou. Here's a big radius like that, puts more pressure on it. Sharper the corner, less cutter pressure. Of course, slower the feed rate, you gotta get close to get a piece of finish. Too. But I want a good finish right now. The other one turned out pretty good. After angling it just a little bit, it's really nice finish. Uh-oh. Drop the lathe. As it comes on. Hello, are you still there? Nope. He didn't like talking to the lathe. Let me lower your credit card rate. $40? $5.40. This one's $5.37. 3 thou. Take another 10. We'll just sneak up on it. Put a little oil on it. Waited. So I'm going to cut away here. You see what I'm doing. When I get this one done and part it off and face up the other side, and you come to put threads on, I'll come back.